Being a 5 feet girl, I've always had to cut my pants, and that's the most irritating thing ever. If you are under 5'2", this video is for you. I've got some really good pant recommendations. I promise you, you won't need to cut these bottoms to fit you. So I've got 7 bottom recommendations for you. Gym pants, jeans, trousers and everything. Hi, my name is Rinja and welcome to Glow with Rinja. I've got some really good recommendations for you and I hope I don't disappoint you. These bottoms are the most comfortable ones that I own and I haven't altered it to my size. These are like the perfect ones for my height as I'm 5 feet tall. I didn't have to cut the bottoms and it just fits me like a glove and I love all of these bottoms. So let's get started with the first one. So first one we have is this bell bottom jeans, and these are also called like boot cut jeans. Oh my god, these are perfect. There's like a ripped detailing over here and I just love the color. It goes really well with so many tops. Like I love pairing my tops with this jeans and it looks so flattering. You can see it in the video here. I just love how it looks. I just love the length of it. I feel like this is the perfect length for me. It's a little bit long for me and I feel like it looks perfect. And I've got the size 30 in it, which was a big mistake. I had to alter it. I had to alter it in the waist area. So you can see this, I've altered it. So I've altered 2 inches in 3 places over here. So if you are like 28, go for 28 because this is kind of a stretchable. And I've ordered it from Myntra and it's from the brand Roadster. I have linked it below. So click on the link and get one for yourself. Next up, we have another blue jeans. This is from Tokyo Talkies. I've got this one from Myntra. This is in size 28 and I love the fitting of this. The length is also perfect for me and I didn't have to alter it at all. It looks perfect. You can see the bottom here. We have this hem over here which looks very nice and I love the color. I can again pair it with so many tops. I love wearing this jeans and this jeans gives me like a really cute hourglass shape which I love and it's just perfect. So I've linked it down below. You can get one for yourself. Okay, so next one we have this black bottoms which I have worn like hundreds and 200s of times and this one's just perfect. Oh my god, I love wearing this. This is so comfortable. Yeah, you can see the fit over here. It fits like a glove and the length is perfect for me. It's not short, it's not too long, it's just perfect. I love this length on me. It looks so flattering and you can see I have worn it so many times that it's a little bit dirty now. I have to wash it, but yes, you get me right. It looks so good. I've got it from Myntra. It's from a brand called Coty which is quite famous now on Myntra. They have like really reasonable and affordable pieces, so you can get one for yourself. Okay, so next one we have my most favorite pant which I've got like very recently. So this is also from Roadster. This is also a boot cut jeans and it's a navy blue color. I've got the size 28 and it's the perfect fitting for me. It's the perfect length. It's not like too long for me and it's not too short. I feel like it's just the perfect length for me. But yeah, if you are like above 5 feet, it might be a little short for you. But since I'm 5 feet, I don't mind the length for me. I feel like it looks very good. I have paired this one with maroon top and I got so many questions that where did I get this from. Since I'm short, like I have seen that whenever I order bell bottoms or boot cut jeans from websites, it's always like too long for me and then I have to cut it. But this one I didn't have to do anything. You can see the hem of it. It looks just perfect and it fits very nice and it's very very comfortable. So check this out. Okay, so next up I have like 3 gym pants which I love wearing at the gym. I have a few cargos as well. First up, I'm gonna show this piece from Bliss Club and this is the most comfortable pair of pants that I own. This is like a flared leg pant and the fit is, oh my god, it's perfect and I love the color. It's the color Monica Mauve and I love the range of colors that they have. I'm gonna order a few more pieces and let me know if you want to see a haul video specifically for Bliss Club because I love the quality. And yes, you can get one for yourself from the link that I have added in the description. And this is in size S or 28 and I feel like this fits like a glove. I know I have said that for each and every pant that I'm showing it in the video, but that's the point of making the video. Being a short girl, it's really difficult to find like good bottoms, and I have found all of these things. So this one is a little bit on the expensive side, but once you wear it, you won't regret buying it. Like every time you wear it, you are just going to love it, and it looks very nice. You can see how good it looks on me. Not just me, I know it will look good on you as well. So do not forget to buy this one. Okay, so next up I have this leggings from the brand called Imperative, and this one is also like a short girl friendly brand because I have like 2 or 3 pants from this brand, one of which I returned because I ordered the same color by mistake. So this one is not a flat pant, this is like a narrow bottom leggings, and it's very comfortable. I love the length of it, you can see it in the video here, and I love the fitting of it. It's very comfortable, but yes, I have ordered this one in size M. But I'll tell you one thing, I ordered a similar legging in size S from the same brand, and it also fit me really nice. So I feel like you can go like a size down if you're opting to buy this. And yes, I have added the link in the description, so get one for yourself if you like this one. So next up we have a staple black flared pant which looks very flattering. So I forgot to mention, like in the previous pant as well, like there's a V waist going on, and it really gives like an illusion of a hourglass body. It looks really nice. So we have the same thing over here as well. This is from the same brand, Imperative, and I have ordered this one also in size M. But like I told you, I ordered the same pants in size S. So what happened is I ordered another flared leg. I thought that it was red, but it was the same color. It was the same color as this one. So I didn't want to have like same color in both narrow bottom as well as flared leg pants. So that's the reason I returned it. And I wanted to order the pink one, but then I thought that okay, I have too many gym pants, so I didn't go for it. So yeah, this one is in size M, and this one also has like a V waist over here. You can see it in the video. It looks very nice. It looks very sculpted. Your waist will look very sculpted. It will look like you have a tiny waist and a big hips. So, and this is like a flat pant. It's also very comfortable. The length of it is perfect for me. I wear my shoes under this and it looks very nice. It falls right at the shoe level. It's not too short, it's not too long, it's just the perfect length for me. So yes, do check this one out. It's very affordable. It's not like very expensive. It's perfectly worth the money. It comes for I think around 500 rupees, but you know what, I'll tell you, when I got this one it was for 700 rupees. So yeah, because it was new at that time, but now it's for 500 and you can get one for yourself. And last but not the least, I have this one. So this is like a quad set from Myntra, and I'm going to link it down for you. This is also from the brand Tokyo Talkies, and so this one is also in size S. So that's it for today's video, guys. Do make sure to buy the products if you like any of my recommendations from the link that I have shared in the video. Leave a comment for me, like the video, and subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Bye bye.